What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this episode of MicroStudio. I'm your instructor, Garrin-T. I want to make this training 10 minutes or less, so please bear with me because we have a lot to go through. A question I got from one of my clients is, Garrin, once I get this MicroStudio kit, can I take it out of the box? Of course you can take it out of the box. It's MicroStudio. We are unleashing your content creation here. I understand that not everybody is going to want to take their MicroStudio complete kit with them when they want to create content. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you exactly how you can dissect your MicroStudio to ensure that you're able to use your mirrorless camera anywhere you need to if you want to batch record segments for 30 seconds. This option is great if you have a remote producer and you want to send over raw files for editing. This is an amazing opportunity to do that. So if you're new here, my name is Garrin-T. I'm a virtual trainer. I work with organizations and individuals to leverage video to develop their professional brand. Social media marketing agency, MicroStudio.design. Let's get into it. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is have your MicroStudio kit with you. And then what we're going to do is you're going to need your tripod. This will be in your MicroStudio bag. You're going to want to grab your Rode lavalier microphone. This will also be in your MicroStudio bag. You're going to want to grab a little mount that looks very similar to this. This is going to be for the light mount on top of the camera, so please grab this. And then, of course, what you're going to need is your cable bag. So once you have all three of those, let's get into the MicroStudio. So please grab your MicroStudio kit. I do want to make note that this kit was designed specifically and engineered for the live streaming producer who's on the go. Once you dissect this kit, the cat's out of the bag. That's the way it goes. It's a durable product. However, the equipment inside is very expensive. So I ask of you, if you're going to do this, just please handle with care. That's all I ask. So we grab the MicroStudio. Let's unzip this bad boy. Okay. Beautiful. So there's going to be three things that you're going to need right away. We're going to ask you to grab the 3 lights because you always want to implement a 3-point lighting system when you're creating content. Please grab that. In the back of your kit, there's going to be a gray felt bag. This is the stands for your lights. Please grab these. What you're going to do next is make sure your power cable is out of the way to the left of the kit. You're going to grab your 2 cables that are on the right side of the bag. And you're going to, the blue, remember the blue, keep the blues together. Put that to the right side of the bag. Grab the cable for your camera, and please take that to the right side of the bag. Make sure it's clear of all obstacles, and then we're going to grab the camera and extend. What you're going to do now is there's going to be a mount underneath that you're going to grab onto, and please unplug the power source. Once you've unplugged the power source, please hold it up in a 90-degree angle, and we're going to slowly twist to the left, okay? Slowly twist to the left while embracing the bottom, okay? Slowly twist this. Handle with care. This is a very expensive piece of equipment. Once it's taken off, you're good to go. Put that with your light mounts on the side. Please grab this mount and just tuck it down. Please roll your right cables. Please roll them inside. Your power cord, please roll inside. All cables, please put back inside the kit and close that up. Okay? And you can put your MicroStudio off into your bag or and somewhere safe. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to grab all of our products here. What you're going to need for this demonstration: your mirrorless camera, you're going to need your tripod, you're going to need your lavalier microphone, you're going to need this light mount, you're going to need 3 lights, and you're going to need your light stands. Okay? So you have all those. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling. You will not need your cable bag. Please put your cable bag in where your MicroStudio stuff is. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the light stands. You're going to go to this one. And if this, you're going to find the pole that has the biggest extension on it. And you're going to grab this mount and you're going to twist it on, okay? This is going to be for a hair light / green screen light. Place it on the right side. And then you're going to grab the RGB light, the one that does not have the soft silicone. Please grab this and put this on the right side. I recommend turning this light on at the lowest percentage and increasing the light as you need when you're doing your testing. So have that to the right side on almost a 45-degree angle. Make sure the tripods are good so it doesn't tip over, okay? So make minor adjustments so it's safe. Next thing you're going to do is grab this handle and you're going to put this light on and place this to the left side. Often I recommend having it on a vertical rather than horizontal. Okay. Place that to the left side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this little mount and you're going to put it on top or on the other silicone light. Okay. Please make sure these lights, when you're filming with the green screen, that they are set to the highest Kelvins possible. When I say highest Kelvins, you're going to want to see 5600 right there. The lower the Kelvins, the warmer the light. We need white lights and bright lights when you're using a green screen, okay? So have all of those on. The next thing you're going to want to do is grab your camera. Underneath the camera, you're going to implement, there's going to be a battery. You can have this battery plugged into your MicroStudio. However, if you don't have this, you can grab an actual battery that you'll find in your cable bag. Okay, so once you have that, please make sure that you have your SD card in there. Every MicroStudio comes with a memory card. So make sure those two items are in there and you're good to go. What the next thing you're going to want to do on the camera is when you're filming not in studio mode, you're going to shift it to M, okay? Anytime you're filming without the MicroStudio, you shift to M. When you have the MicroStudio implemented, you want the movie screen on, okay? M and movie. M and movie. That's all we're going to be needing for this demonstration today. Place that there, grab your tripod, and feel free to pause this video as we go through it, okay? So take your tripod out. You're going to see your tripod. You want to have both dials on the right side. Keep the dials the exact same. You're going to untwist the top dial and grab it off the stand, okay? Place the tripod to the side. Once you have that, you're going to twist it on. Please keep the teeth on each side, not front and back, go side to side, and screw that on to where it's tight, okay? Have it there, and now you have your camera mount side to side. You see that? Next thing you're going to do is you're going to mount it on the actual tripod. Please hold with both hands, twist right to continue, and once you have that done, you're going to make sure the camera is level. So in order to make sure the camera is level, you're going to go to the camera. Left is to loose and right is to tight, okay? You can do it with me now. Left is to loose and make sure you have all left extended, okay? And for the demonstration, I'm going to keep it on the low profile, but left, and then you place it accordingly. Okay? Once you have it set up, you're going to go to the right side of the camera. There's going to be an option where it is a microphone, okay? A microphone port. You're going to grab your lavalier microphone from Rode. You're going to take that out, and please make sure that this stays untangled because it's a pain in the butt. I typically like to put it on the top of my shirt or top of my tie, just like so, okay? With me now, you just have it there. You can drop it down. You can run it behind if you need to. No problem at all. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab this end, the gold end, and then we're going to plug it in to the right side. Okay, so once you have that tagged onto the right side, you're going to place it there and you're all ready to go. Simply on the button, hit the record option right there. If you need to, have the screen looking at you, but please don't stare at yourself when you're recording. Stare at the lens. That's where your audience is. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of MicroStudio. I'm your instructor, Garrin-T. I hope you found this insightful. If you do have any questions, please reach out to info@garrinblaney.com. If you want to get your hands on one of these MicroStudios, please reach out. We're happy to help you out. Until next time, when it's time to go, grab your MicroStudio, go create content. I appreciate y'all. Have yourself a great day.